If I were a boy, even just for a day, I'd have a burger for my lunch, from Burger King to have it my way. I'd keep the seat up, never put the seat down. I'd never ask for directions, even if I were in a strange town, 'cause I'm stubborn like that. If I were a boy, I think I would shake my face. I'd text every girl I knew, even after I heard complaints. I'd wear dirty clothes and go shopping alone. I'd call my homies up at night, hang with them and watch the fight. No need for drama 'cause it's fine. If I were a boy, I'd have one pair of shoes that I'd wear with every outfit, 'cause with fashion I ain't got a clue. I'd drive an old truck, and I think I was tough. I'd sleep until 2 on weekends, and I think that I would have it rough. If I were a boy, I think I would shake my face. Whoa, whoa. I'd text every girl I knew, even if I heard her complaints. I'd wear dirty clothes and go shopping alone. Tattoo a girl's name on my chest, across her family crest. Take pictures and think I was the best. I would cover B.O. with my Axe spray. Take my girl to Taco Bell for our very first date. I would call my mama every day. But I'm just a girl. I think how in the world, oh, how it feels to shave my face. I think I'd find a better way. Oh yeah, I'd wear dirty clothes and go shopping alone. Tattoo a girl's name on my chest, across her family crest. Take pictures and think I was the best. But I'm just a girl.